The splicing of single fibers is a commonly known technology, and the splicing of fiber ribbons as well. But if you want to find out how to efficiently connect those single fibers to a fiber ribbon, stick around and let's go down to the clean room. Okay, now we are in the production clean room and we are using ribbon splicing to connect our component to a measurement system. The measurement system itself has a ribbon, a fiber ribbon, but the component has single fibers, so we have to make a temporary fiber ribbon. And for that we use an own designed jig and an own designed process, which can be seen here. So mainly this jig consists of a slit where the fibers are inserted one after each other, and it is important that this slit is only that narrow, or is that narrow that there's no fiber crossing. Yeah? You put the fibers inside, and as we have a 10 fiber ribbon, if the component has less than 10 fibers, we have those sacrificial fibers which are inserted just for the fiber splicing. And after all the fibers are inserted into the jig, then we stretch the fibers by hand, and we have those levers here, they are pushed, and so the fibers are clamped and they are held in this position. And for the temporary ribbon, we use those stickers, it's just adhesive tape, and we put it on those flaps where it is pushed to these hard stops and held by vacuum. Put to the top, one squeeze, so the sticker is applied to the fibers. And if we now open the clamping mechanism and do a re-squeezing of the fiber ribbon, then we are done. So now we have this fiber ribbon and we can go over to the splicing station. After ribbonising the fibers, we now can do the stripping, cleaving and splicing process. This is done here. First of all, we insert the fiber ribbon into a clip, and then it can be put into a thermal cleaver. Just wait some seconds and give it a slight tuck, and all the sticker material is removed, or almost all of it, and the residues have to be cleaned off with this cloth. Then you can insert the clip in a automatic cleaver, and you're done to do a regular ribbon splice. I hope you learned something today. If it was interesting to you or you have further questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye.